Long time waiting to
Balance between working. Sabi niya, how are you?
Conversations in my head, God.
Ito ba siya? Ayan. Ikaw, meron mo. Sorry kung hindi nyo ako naririnig kasi ayoko na, hindi ko kaya talagang walang electric fan kanina. Pero ngayon parang lumamig na yung katawan ko. Anyway, for my highlighter, I used my Morphe eyeshadow palette. Ang ganda kasi nung color na to. Ayan. This one. Kaya yan yung ginagamit ko for my highlight sometimes. Bigay to sa akin ng mama ni Earl. Si Earl yung best friend ko. Yan yung mga brush ko. Sa totoo lang, onti lang talaga yung brushes ko. And hindi ko talaga alam kung anong brush yung gagamitin for something. Kaya, halo-halo na lang talaga. Ito, I use this for blush. And then sometimes I also use it for highlight, for bronzing. Halo-halo talaga. Anyway, this is our final makeup look. Sana yung hair ko, but Prinansya ko pa yun kanina, pero ayan na siya ulit. Anyway, ayun, yung plan ko for today is I'm gonna be going on a chill date night with Gads. It's already parang mga 4, 5 p.m. So, pagdating namin doon, madilim na, for sure. Hindi ko lang kung ba't ko pa prinansya yung hair ko kasi nabasa pa siya, but I like my makeup today. This is the outfit that I'm planning to wear. This is from Shopee and I have been wanting to wear it. Button down, hiniram ko na lang to sa kapatid ko. I love the print and the color. And there's what our outfit looks like. And then for my bag, I'm just gonna go with my Charles & Keith Gabin. Bagay sana naka-shades, parang ka-color nito yung button down. Pero paggabi na din kasi, kaya parang weird naman pag naka-shades. Yan, if ever man, ganito yung itsura. Ano ba ang bubuyog? This is my outfit for today. And if you don't like it, you can leave. Yung pants ko, by the way, is from Looks for Fits. Ninakaw ko siya kay mommy. Knitted siya na trousers. It's really nice. So, nag-message sa akin si Gads. And sayang, kasi hindi na ako makakapag-take ng outfit shots habang maliwanag, hindi na siya abot. Pagdating namin doon, gabi na. Feel ko nasabi ko na to, but every chance that I get, nalalabas ako. I always like to take photos of my outfit kasi wala talagang masyadong spots dito sa amin. But I feel like it will be the perfect time to test this phone out. What I have here with me is the Realme 9 Pro. This is from the Realme 9 Pro series. They also have the 9 Pro Plus. And they have two colors for this. What I have is Aurora Blue. Tama ba? Aurora Green yung isang color, but this is Sunrise Blue. And look at that. It is really beautiful. Tingnan niyo yung camera niya. Realme actually claims that this is their best one yet for mobile photography. Iba daw yung photography experience neto. It will enable us users to capture the light like a pro. It's equipped with camera specs that will allow us to take photos na very comparable sa mga photos na tinitake natin using our DSLR cameras or yung mga professional camera. Very interesting, which is why I think tonight will be the perfect time to test it out. Ayun, usually talaga, hindi ako nagtitake ng photos at night for the feed. Kasi, hindi ako ma-artist sa pag-post ko ng photos sa Instagram. Pero yung pinaka-requirement ko lang is I like my photos bright and taken during the day. Bago mag 5 p.m. para maliwanag pa. Feel ko lang parang mas high quality, hindi grainy yung shots, mas crisp, ganun. Lighting is very important to me, honestly. Since this phone claims na it can take just as good photos during the day and kapag low light or at night, let us see. Let us put this to the test. We're gonna bring this with us tonight. Realme 9 Pro takes pride on its ability to capture pro-like images even in low-light environments. Night mode was the perfect feature to use, so that's what we chose. And I also took some photos of the street using the street mode. I'm really impressed with the outcome of the shots. I've said this already on Instagram, pero what I loved about it and what surprised me was we took those photos without flash. As in, ano lang siya, parang nag-process lang siya for 5 seconds and that was it. Kapag zoom mo yung photos, it's not even grainy and ang ganda kasi di ba madilim na. Pero binuhay niya yung colors. If you guys like photography, you might want to check this out. Once again, this is the Realme 9 Pro. They're actually gonna be having an early bird promo for this. I'm just gonna put more details in the description box. Okay, so we're here at Din Tai Fung. We ordered braised beef and chicken xiaolongbao.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks you?
Ordered fried noodles with shrimp and pork, wonton. Tapos yung kay Gads is beef. Kasi hindi siya na-pork. Sarap kasi nito.
Pretty blue jeans and me running through evergreen.
We also ordered chicken chop fried rice. Sige sa kami ni Gads.
Yeah, she's what I need. I still need to recover from another lover. You're my picture perfectly. Still haven't met your parents, but we hang with your brother when he could use the company.
Hola guys, it's Chelsea and for today's video, I'm gonna... It's my recent sneaker, fuck. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Hello guys. Grabe, sobrang lutang na ako. Wala pa rin ako napala. Grabe. Yung mata ko parang pagod na. Someone sent me a package. This is from Yumi's Cookie. And she sent me 4 flavors. Kaka-open lang ata ng store niya. So, let's check her out. I wanna try out matcha first. Here's what the packaging looks like. Uy, ang ganda! Ang bango. Look at that. It smells good. Sarap. Hello guys, it's Chelsea. So this is what I always look like dito sa bahay. And nag-start ako paglinis around 1:30 ata. Nakatulog ako. Tapos nagising ako para mga 5 na ata. So, di ba siya tapos? Malinis tong side na to, pero yung kabilang side, makalat pa talaga siya. As in, yung mga winalis ko, nasa lapag pa. Itong mga shoebox, di ba dito siya before? Pero nilipat ko muna siya dyan. Parang gusto ko lang pagpasok dito, parang soft yung approach. Kasi when you see itong side, parang may matigas agad. Dyan muna siya. Ewan ko, wala na kasi akong paglagyan ng shoeboxes. Gusto ko sana parang magandang pot, tapos snake plant, and then corner shelves for the skincare. By the way, this is not a parang lipstick swatch. Paso yan. Tapos, medyo nag-fade na siya, pero kita niyo yung parang dulo niya. Parang dark. Patapos naman na ako dito sa kabilang side. Meron lang mga onting kalat. Ayan, naubos ko tong popcorn. Ano to? Business ng kapatid ko. He's gonna sell on Shopee. You guys have to taste this. This is my favorite popcorn. Ayan, it's corn breaking. Kasi parang ground breaking. Gusto yun? Corn breaking. Okay, okay. This is what my bed area looks like. I'm not gonna show you guys yung living room area ko muna kasi hindi ko makalat siya. I am gonna stretch. Na-realize ko hindi ko pa pinapatunog yung buto ko. If ayaw nyo na gano'n, skip nyo to. Then yung leeg. Uy! Meron pa yun. I'm finally trying this drink that I got sa my grocery. Malapit kila Kuya AC. Sa may all home siya. It's one of the nicest groceries I've been to. Na-curious lang ako dito kaya binili ko siya. Ayan, gamit ko lang yung favorite kong baso. Tapos, meron akong green straw. Since I just cleaned my room, I wanted to smell good. So I'm gonna try this diffuser. I got this as a gift from Kim's store when we did a collaboration. It's gonna be my first time trying yung ganito. Also, I just want to say I super love the box. I love everything about it. I love the colors. I love the font. Pero, ayun, the way that you use this diffuser is basically, ilalagay mo lang itong mga rattan sticks sa taas. Akala ko kasi apoy yun. Alam niyo na ba yun? Siguro ako lang, mukhang tanga. Yung tapang ng amoy niya, depends on how many rattan sticks you put inside. So, I think I'm just gonna do 4 or 5. Sige, let's go with 5 since we have 10 sticks para hati. It's kind of an orangey scent na parang kakagaling mo lang ng shower. Tapos nagpa-foots pa. Parang gano'n. Hindi ko ma-explain. I really like this setup, so I'm gonna try and take a photo using my realme 9 Pro 5G. Here's what it looks like. Let's see.
Make me stop.
Always changing.
Hola guys, it's Chelsea. I haven't had the time to organize. I'm gonna fold my clothes kasi naglaba rin ako 2 beses 4 days ago. Karamihan ng clothes na tinanggal ko sa sampayan, hindi ko pa siya natitiklop. So, titiklopin ko na siya. Yun. This vlog is not really that eventful, pero this is my day. Usually. Realistic day. Linis-linis lang. Tiklop-tiklop. Kalat ulit. Ganon.
So consequence with some last line of defense. I try so hard to be something you want. I just hope that someone else can make this stop. 'Cause I think I'm turning around. Oh, it's time to stop pretending. Call me out, I'll be overwhelmed.
Konti lang pala yung finold ko. Kasi madami na rin talaga akong na-fold. Pero, na-realize ko, madami rin pala akong lalabhan pa. Anyway, kakatapos ko lang makipag-usap sa mga suppliers. Meron akong good news kasi patapos na yung, actually tapos na yung printing for the Kinda Sunny tote bag. This is my biggest restock yet. Dinamihan ko na siya kasi it took a while and ayun, ang dami ko kasing comments sa mananahi ko, sa supplier ko. Yeah, I'm really happy kasi palapit ng ating restock. So, I'm gonna announce it on Instagram. Nag-add ako ng ibang colorways for the reminder tee. Yun na lang yung hinihintay actually. Reminder tee and yung Don't Be Shy na medium-sized tote. So yun, I feel like the next few days for me will be busy. And siguro sa week na to, i-prepare ko na yung mga packaging. I-print ko na siya. Buti na lang meron akong thermal printer. Ayun, that's it. That's my good news. Sure ko. I don't want to put on any makeup for today kasi when I'm staying at home, I like to be makeup free, of course. Syempre, exception na kapag nag-film. But since I've been going out, I've been wearing a lot of makeup and I have been noticing the change sa skin ko. Parang hindi na siya as smooth. I feel like it became a bit dull with all the makeup, so I wanna be makeup free. Hindi ko yung paano ko i-end tong vlog na to, so I'm gonna be asking you guys on Instagram if you have any questions for me. So I posted already. Let's just wait for some responses. But the first one that we have here is from Jazel. She asked me, what do you do when life gives you pressure on adulting? Sometimes if I get really overwhelmed, I really take a pause. Ayun, hindi rin ako nakakapag-take ng break every time that I want to kapag overwhelmed ako. Kasi sometimes I can't afford to take a break. I need to get some things done. But ayun nga, if I can afford it, I always take a break. Para sa akin talaga, my mind works 10 times better if I'm in the zone. Kasi sometimes, may mga moments ako na parang, ang dami kong ideas, nandito ako, sa peak talaga ako. And then, all of a sudden, parang bigla siyang bababa. Sometimes I get anxious a lot. Parang meron ako mga bagay na na-experience ko before na nalagpasan ko naman na. Pero there are sometimes na bigla ko siya naaalala. Tapos parang, bigla ko na pong hinaan lang ako. Kaya, ayun, parang Tanga naman, ano nangyayari? Na-answer ko ba? Na-answer ko ba yung tanong? I really take my time kasi naniniwala talaga ako and alam ko na kapag dito kinolek ko yung sarili ko, gumagana talaga sobra yung utak ko. Wala talaga ako masyadong paki kapag parang sinasabi ng mga tao, ba't ka nasa-stress agad? They don't know how I can parang unleash the better version of myself. The next question is, how do you keep yourself on track? Connected to my first answer, I feel like I get a better track. I manage yung parang work and rest. Kasi I don't really want to overwork myself kasi sometimes napupush ko yung mga hindi ko masyado nagugustuhan for the sake of parang accomplishing things. Kaya I always make sure that I take a break to parang get a better grasp of the things I want to do. Mas alam ko yung gagawin ko kapag meron akong balance between working and resting. What is your favorite thing to do with yourself? It started raining. Hopefully you guys can hear me more. But I don't know if meron bang tawag sa kanya, pero I guess the closest thing is daydreaming. I really like being here in my room. Madalas parang nakatulala lang ako. Ganyan lang ako. Tas, I just let my mind do its work. I really like being silent and ang dami na pumapasok sa isip ko. I feel like I get a lot of ideas from doing nothing. Sabi ko ba yun ng maayos? Pero yun, daydreaming kasi nabibigyan niya ako ng ibang klaseng motivation and inspiration to how do you say this? Parang achieve the things that I imagine. My answer doesn't make any sense. Another thing siguro would be going to places na sobrang Japan surplus. Ang ano talaga grabe yung puso ko pag nandun ako. Parang ang dami kong naiisip na iba. For example, kapag nakita ko ng baso, yung baso na yun, ang ganda ng shape niya, ang ganda ng kulay niya, ang ganda ng texture niya. Ang dami kong naiisip na pwede kong pagkuhaan doon sa basong yun. Parang pwede ako gumawa ng may element na galing doon. Next question is from Jessie. Sabi niya, what have you been doing? Lately, ninanamnam ko lang yung not busy days ko, kaya I've been interacting with people, I've been socializing. Whenever I'm not busy, I always allot my time to myself, my family, my friends, kasi kapag nagiging busy ako, I am always in the zone. Parang wala talaga akong pinapansin. Next question is, how are you? And I would say na compared to let's say months ago, binibigyan ko na ng importance talaga yung energy ko. Kasi sometimes when things bother me, nagdudwell talaga ako sa kanila. But now, sa totoo lang, sobrang naging helpful sa akin ng Oaklabi. Sa sobrang busy ko, ayoko na maging malungkot. Wala na akong time maging malungkot or mag-focus sa mga negative things. Hindi naman talaga naiiwasan ng mga problema. Meron tayong mga iniinda na dinadivert natin. Pero, I guess, compared to before, alam ko na ngayon kung anong mga bagay yung bibigyan ko ng energy, na bibigyan ko ng pake. Siguro masasabi ko na lang is compared to before, I am in a much better place right now. Onti lang ng sinagot kong questions, pero ang haba ng mga answers ko. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I feel like this video is too long already. Thank you guys so much for sending in your questions and for asking me how I am. I hope that you guys are doing well also. And ayun, thank you for being here. And feeling ko kaharap ko lang kayo. Sa totoo lang, parang pag nandito ako sa camera, parang dal-dal ko lang. And yun, umuulan na ngayon. I think I'm gonna spend the night writing some things down for the restock. Ayun, di pa ako tapos doon. Thank you so much for bonding with me. Kahit nandito lang tayo, parang saya. Next time, talaga. As always, thank you so much for watching and goodbye. Bye.